Introduction. The header element is a part of HTML5 web design. It contains introductory and navigational information about a web page. HTML5 allows multiple header elements in a single HTML document. Structure of an HTML header. The HTML header is a container for elements like H1 and P. The H1 tag represents the title of the document. The P tag provides a brief description. Usage of HTML header. The HTML header can contain other elements such as H2, H3, nav, div, span, and img. The header can include a navigation element, nav, providing links to different sections of the web page. Multiple headers. HTML5 allows multiple headers within a single document. Each section of your web page can have its own header. Multiple headers help to organize and structure your content better. Tips and common errors. Headers should contain introductory and navigational information. Ensure that your headers are logically structured. A common error is to use the header tag for styling purposes. Use CSS for styling instead. Conclusion. Understanding the HTML header and using it effectively is crucial for designing structured and accessible web pages. Practice using headers in your projects, keeping in mind their purpose and the common mistakes to avoid.